is a God of breakthroughs, a God of answered prayer, and a God of perfect timing. Ito po talaga yung perfect timing ng Lord na talaga nilaan niya way before for you to have your place of worship, ay your new place of worship, a sanctuary that you can call your own.
Jesus, ikaw ang aming tahanan, pag-ibig mo ang kanungan.
Brothers and sisters, good morning, children of Christ. Are you all excited?
Jesus, ikaw ang kalakasan sa piling mo'y mananahan. Pupuri ka, pupuri ka.
Then the Lord said to Moses, "Stretch out your hand over the sea, that the waters may come back upon the Egyptians, on their chariots and on their horsemen." And Moses stretched out his hand over the sea. Ginanay niya yung kanyang